So in a matter of weeks, the hyped OnePlus Nord will be officially announced. It's been a long time since we have seen a mid-range phone from OnePlus, and it will be in direct competition to Apple's iPhone SE 2020. Although not in performance department, as A13 chip will destroy Snapdragon 765G when it comes to raw performance. It's a foolish thing to compare the chipsets, but the rest of the things like display, camera, battery, network will be something which could go either way. Now we are not here to compare these phones, but to tell you that if you have noticed the first sentence that I told you right after we started the video, I said in a matter of weeks, not just week, weeks. So leaker Ishan Agarwal in a now deleted tweet has revealed that OnePlus Nord will be launching on 21st of July. Earlier it was said to be released on 10th of July, but it seems we have to wait some more to see the official launch of OnePlus Nord. In addition to this, the interesting thing is that the launch will be held in AR, that is augmented reality. So it will be different experience to see the launch of OnePlus Nord. Anyways, in the latest turn of events, OnePlus Nord may not see a launch in the US. Future products in the lineup will launch there, but not this mid-ranger. OnePlus co-founder has confirmed that OnePlus Nord phone will launch in markets like India and Europe, as they are already doing really well in such markets. The demand for these kind of phones is larger in such markets when compared to US, where flagship phones are more in demand. Now, although still there is time for the announcement, we do have some previously leaked details which you are welcome to listen to. Recently we got our first look at the OnePlus Nord's design, which shows the front with dual front cameras and the rear has that side aligned cameras. Now we are not sure how many cameras are present, like 3 or 4 maybe, but we will definitely know about this very soon. Anyways, the back will be made up of glass and we don't see any groove for the physical fingerprint scanner on the rear, so it could be either a side mounted or in-display fingerprint scanner. The display size could range anywhere between 6.4 to 6.5 inches with 90Hz refresh rate. The processor is 100% confirmed to be Snapdragon 765G chipset. It's a 5G chip with decent gaming performance. It's already been benchmarked on Geekbench with 6GB of RAM, and we could also get to see 8GB of RAM. The cameras are still under wraps. Nobody has been able to successfully confirm the rear camera setup, but it's said to pack 48MP main lens. If we talk about the front cameras, then it will pack 32 plus 8MP lens, which are located on the top left corner. As for the battery, it's highly expected to pack a 4300mAh capacity with 30W fast charging. Now for the thing that's been officially confirmed by OnePlus, that is the price. Not the exact price, but it will remain under $500. That means it could be $300 or $400 or even $500. So that's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.